What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Life with RJ. How you guys doing today? I'm doing immaculate. Today has been very productive, very stressful at the same time. I was able to get a lot done. It's Monday, February 10th. Where did January go? Literally just a few days ago. Classes started. The first video that I uploaded was basically me setting up. That was around January 12th. The first week of classes started. Wasn't really much to record during them because, again, that's all just like doing like the syllabus stuff, reading, signing off signatures. If you guys hear smacking in the background, it's my dog on the phone that I got him. He's just devouring it right now. Yeah, so after that, I ended up going on a cruise. If you guys want to see some clips of that, I will be placing them here at the end of the video. That was very exciting. I went to the Bahamas, and I wanted to show you guys something. This is what I brought back for you guys. It's a $10 bill. I thought it was pretty cool. I'm starting to collect more stuff every time we travel somewhere. Overall, just a fun cruise. The first night was crazy. After that, everything was pretty smooth from there. This isn't my first cruise, it's actually like my second, third cruise. So it's pretty smooth sailing from there. And then that brings us basically to this week already. We have been doing some courses. I believe I told you guys the main course is data structures and algorithms. That course is fire. I understand why it's very necessary. And in that course right now, I have a 95. One of the labs it wouldn't let me do before I ended up leaving to go on a cruise. I didn't buy the Wi-Fi package. I wanted to enjoy my time. I wasn't able to complete a lab, which is only like 10% of your grade, 5% of your grade. So that's why I only have a 95. I'm taking a theoretical computer science class, which is very boring. Like interdisciplinary theory, which is boring. Linear algebra is boring as well. It's not hard, it's just time consuming. Then I taken this programming principle language course, which is really like understanding how algorithms work, functions, things of that nature. It's not really too much of a course load. It's just a lot of reading. Like, because I'm an online student, everything's a lot of reading. So I have been going to the tutoring center just to help some stuff get reiterated, just because when you're reading, you aren't really hearing how people can solve it. You're just reading one way of learning it. Overall, that's what I have been up to. I'm gonna do some Codecademy, and then from there, I probably will just finish out the day, go play basketball, and then that's pretty much my day. I just want to make sure every day I'm trying to incorporate some coding. Our goal is to become a software engineer.